is an emergency alert system broadcast. Unexplained celestial activity has intensified across the nation, accompanied by overwhelming light phenomena and widespread reports of voices echoing from the sky. Government authorities have confirmed that this event aligns with unprecedented prophetic indicators. Citizens are urged to remain indoors, stay calm, and refrain from approaching any manifestations outside. Multiple agencies have stated that global conditions now match descriptions long associated with the return of Jesus Christ. Further instructions will follow as communication remains available.